We are in Windsor Locks today at 14 Chamberlain Crossing. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy, and this is your local look. Great landscaping, great property.
Great community, and low HOA fees that handle all your lawn and your snow. It's really nice.
All right.
Come take a look inside.
Let's do this.
All right.
Oh, wow. We walk right into this big open room.
This great condo offers 2 bedrooms, but look over there. There's a bonus room office. It's got a really great open concept. Kitchen's really spacious. You could add additional eat-in space, and it leads off to
the back deck. Oh, this is a nice back deck facing the woods.
lots of windows offering lots of natural light, bamboo flooring. It's a really great space.
All right, take us down the hall. Show us these bedrooms.
All right, well, we've got 2 really great sized bedrooms. Right here is a half bath with first floor laundry.
Oh, we have our first bedroom here on the right.
Yep, and if you keep heading down the hall, there's a really nice full bath, big walk-in shower.
Yeah.
Wait, look up there.
Oh, wow. Check those out. What are those?
So that's a sun tube. So in both bathrooms, they have those. Really neat. It provides natural light to the room.
That's super dope. All right, and then at the end of the hall, we have our primary bedroom with 2 large closets. And then there's some extra finished space in the basement. Stephanie, thanks for the tour. If you'd like to take a look at this place, hit Stephanie up. If you want to get pre-approved, give me a call. Thanks for having us, Windsor Locks. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy. This has been your local look. We're out of here.